CoTrack is a collaboration tracking tool which is developed to track students' activities in co-located blended settings. These settings involve students' face-to-face interaction and uses of technology for the purposes such as sharing learning resources, sharing a common platform for writing, and for communication. CoTrack uses Raspberry Pi based prototype for capturing students' activity from physical space, and it uses a real-time collaborative editor, which is Etherpad, for capturing students' activity in digital space. To capture students' activities in physical space, CoTrack uses a Raspberry Pi based prototype with microphone array. This microphone array equipped with 4 mics, it uses a voice activity detection algorithm to detect the presence of voice and direction of arrival algorithm to detect the direction of sound arrival. These lights are indicating the direction from which it is receiving the sound. As I am moving around this prototype, it is detecting the corresponding direction, and then it's showing those lights in that direction. However, during the data collection, we turned off these lights to avoid the disturbance. All detected directions are sent to server in real time using MQTT protocol. All the data sent with a label and timestamp. This label represents the corresponding group number. With more than one group, there is a need to synchronize the time across all the prototype. CoTrack uses NTP network time protocol to handle the time synchronization issue. To allow a student to interact in digital space, CoTrack uses Etherpad. Etherpad is an open source real-time collaborative editor. It provides a common writing space for all the group members. Whenever a student writes something, other student in the group can see that student's input. And as a part of CoTrack, a new plugin is developed to track students' activity in the Etherpad. So whenever students write something or delete something, all these events are tracked. CoTrack pre-processes the data from digital and physical spaces. It then generates an interactive web-based dashboard for teachers. This dashboard visualizes the overall speaking time over the entire duration for different time window, group dynamics, and Etherpad activity for each group. This drop-down list interface allows teacher to select a particular group to check their participation behavior. The first graph shows the direction from which sound is detected by the prototype. It is the distribution of all detected direction starting from 0 degree to 360 degree. The second graph shows the total speaking time for each user. It is generated from detected directions of sound by the prototype. Next is the group dynamics. Each group participant is represented by a node where node size shows the relative speaking time. The thickness of the edge shows the frequency of interaction between two participants. For instance, user 4 and user 1 has a thick edge, which means their interaction occurred more than others. CoTrack also visualizes speaking behavior for the entire duration of the activity. By default, a 30-second time frame is used for this visualization. However, the teacher can change the size of time frame by clicking here as per his or her need. On the change of time frame, the graphs are automatically updated. Additionally, teachers can also select participants. It can be helpful in comparing the speaking time for some participant from the same group. At the last, participants' activity in Etherpad are shown. In the current version of CoTrack, two metrics are shown. These metrics are number of characters added or deleted by each participant. The similar interactivity as above provided here as well. Teachers can change the size of time frame and they can also select the participants.